Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Before I get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Stephy Blue Bear. So today I'm going to be doing my monthly favorites video. This is going to be for the month of August and September. I didn't really have a lot of stuff for the past 2 months that, I really enjoyed using or like that was new to me. So I kind of combined these 2 months together. So without further ado, let's just get started. So one of the first things on the list is this Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminous Foundation. And this is in the color Buff. I actually have it on my face right now. I don't know if you can tell, but ever since I got this, I've been using it a lot. And like, as you can see, like, or I don't know if you can see, that like, I barely used any, but like I've been using it a lot, but it seems like I haven't been using any, and it lasts a pretty good long time. It's not like a full coverage foundation. It's like a light coverage, but it's really good. I love it. It makes my face look glowy, more glowy than it does matte, which you guys know I like matte foundations, but like this just, it makes my skin look really good. So another thing that I've been using is this luxurious watermelon scented bar soap. And the packaging looks like this, and there's a black bag right here, but that's because I put that there. So then when you open it up, there's like a bar of soap. It's like a pink, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a pink soap, and it smells really strongly of watermelon. And I got it at Ross for like $3, and I've been using it ever since I got it, and I've been using it in the shower, and it smells really good, so I like it a lot. The next thing I've been using is this Jeffree Star lip scrub. This is in the flavor Blue Raspberry Sucker. This is my very first Jeffree Star liquid, not liquid. This is my very first Jeffree Star lip scrub. I've been wanting to try them, and I am almost like done. So it started out being at the super like top of the container, and this is how much is left. So I've been using it a lot. It's a really good lip scrub, and winter's coming up and it's fall time and my lips get really dry around this time, so I've been using it a lot. Before, like every time I wake up in the morning, I would put this on to scrub away the dead skin cells, and then I would put a lip balm on so that my lips could be nice and moisturized. And this is really a really good one, and it also tastes really good too, so I highly recommend this. The next thing that I've been using is the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Now, I still have it in the original packaging because I like it so much that I just want to like keep the packaging. So whenever I use it, I'll put it back in the packaging. So this is how the packaging looks like. I actually did a review on this palette. So if you want to like look and watch that review, you could watch it. I think the colors that I've been using the most in this palette is Gumdrop, which I actually have in my eyes right now. Snake, or is it snack? So I've been using Gumdrop, Snack, Jawbreaker, and Cotton Candy a lot. These are like my favorite colors. I don't know if you could tell which ones they are. Maybe you could kind of tell, but I've been using this one, this one, this one, and that one a lot. They're like my favorite colors. And then whenever I'm done using the palette, I'll just put it back in the box, because there are certain makeup items in my collection that I'll keep the packaging for, but this is one of them. So the next things that I've been using is the Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo and Conditioner. Here's how they look like. I don't know if you can see. Come on, okay. So they look like this, and I've been using this because I've been hoping that it could help me with my hair loss, I guess, or just to help it grow healthier. They smell really good. I'm actually almost out of the conditioner. I don't really use the shampoo that much as I use the conditioner, but they both smell really good. So I've been using that. The next thing that I've been using is the NYX Suede Lipstick in the color Cold Brew and Sweet Tooth. So they look like this. First off, there's these colors. And so this one's like, it's like a sort of light brown color, which is Cold Brew. And then the Sweet Tooth is more of like a magenta fuchsia kind of color, and I really like those colors. They actually smell really good. I've been using these a lot recently, but my absolute favorite color from this collection is actually Brunch Me. And you've seen me use this in a video before. I use Brunch Me from this collection all the time when I do my Chun-Li makeup. So that one's my absolute favorite one, but I've been really enjoying these two colors. So the next thing I've been using a lot is this pumpkin apple candle from Bath & Body Works. And as you can tell, I am like almost done with it. I've been burning it ever since I bought it. It smells so good. Like, it smells, how do I, you smell a hint of apple. You don't really smell pumpkin that much, but it's more like a appley, cinnamony like smell. And it smells so good, and it, like, I burn it and my room smells like autumn just bombed in here. So like, this is how the packaging looks like. It's just a clear jar. It says this on it. I got the small version, but I'm almost done with it, as you can see. So I'm planning on going back to Bath & Body Works soon to buy another one, because this is like a really good smell. So the next thing that I've been using is this. These are more products from Bath & Body Works. And so this one is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. It is a fragrant mist, and it looks like this. It smells really good. It smells super sweet. I like it a lot. I think it smells more like marshmallow than it does pumpkin, but I love it so much. I kind of alternate this one with the other one that I'm about to show you. So the other one that I use is Champagne Apple and Honey, which this one's actually my favorite out of the two. And this is how the packaging looks like. It smells so good. It's like more of a fruity scent. It definitely smells like apple, and it definitely smells like honey. I just love it so much. And I also got the matching lotion. So this is the lotion, and then this would be the body mist. So that's that. Love those a lot. So the last thing that I've been using for the past 2 months is this Jeffree Star black mirror. I needed this mirror really desperately, because I'm going to show you the mirror that I've been using this whole time to do my makeup. I've been using this small mirror, and this is how the back of it looks like, if it shows up. So this is how this mirror looks like. That's the back of it. I think it's from Birchbox. My cousin gave it to me, so I've been using this really small mirror to do my makeup. And people were like really surprised that I was doing my makeup on a small mirror. And I was like, yeah, but it gets kind of tiring to use a small mirror like that, because I have to like alternate between different sides of my face. So I got this so that I could actually do my makeup on a bigger mirror, which is really helpful. But also, like, I also got it because it's a star and it's black, and I thought it was really cool. Originally, when I actually bought this at the Morphe store, when the Morphe store had when Jeffree Star came to the Morphe store to do the grand opening. I originally wanted to get the Jawbreaker mirror, which is the light pinkish one with the like paint splatters on it, but they didn't actually carry that one at the store. They only carried the like greenish one with the splatter on it, or was it yellow, one of those, and they didn't have the pink one. So I was like looking, and then I wanted to get a blue one, but I didn't want like a shimmery metallic looking chrome looking mirror. I just wanted like a pastel blue mirror, but they didn't have any pastel blue ones. So I'm like, a black one is like, I guess, the best one, because I mean, right now this back one's mostly black, and plus black goes with anything, so might as well get it. And so I really like it a lot. I'm happy that I finally got a bigger mirror to do my makeup on. It's really cute. It has, you can see my setup. It's really cute. There's fingerprints all over it, obviously, but I use this mirror ever since I got it to do my makeup now, because it's like bigger, and I can actually see my whole face, so that's good. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment down below. Have any of the items I've showed you today, or some of the items that you also have in your collection or that you've used before, please let me know. I would really like to read them. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.